Imagine a world where artificial intelligence seamlessly integrates into every aspect of our daily lives. Picture smart cars navigating the streets with precision, robots taking care of mundane tasks, and people effortlessly interacting with AI-powered devices. This isn't science fiction, it's the future we are building today. Let's delve into the fascinating world of speech recognition. AI assistants are now capable of transcribing conversations with remarkable accuracy and responding to voice commands in real time. This technology understands and processes language, making communication with machines as natural as talking to a friend. Next, we explore the realm of image recognition. AI can now identify objects and people within images with incredible precision. Imagine walking through a park and having an AI system recognize and name each animal it sees. This technology is revolutionizing how we interact with visual data. Finally, let's look at the intersection of human creativity and AI capabilities. From generating stunning artwork to composing intricate music, AI is pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. It's not just a tool, it's a collaborator blending human ingenuity with machine learning to create something truly extraordinary. Now let's delve into how AI excels at data analysis. Imagine sifting through massive data sets, identifying patterns and predicting trends, whether it's in healthcare, where AI can forecast disease outbreaks, or in finance, where it can predict market fluctuations. The power of AI in data analysis is truly transformative. But it's important to recognize that AI isn't without its limitations. As we transition to this next segment, we'll explore some of the boundaries and challenges that AI still faces today. One of the most significant hurdles for AI is understanding emotions. While AI can simulate emotional responses, it often struggles with the nuances of human feelings. For instance, it might misinterpret sarcasm or fail to grasp the depth of emotional expressions. This highlights the complexity of human emotions that AI has yet to fully comprehend. In the realm of ethical decision-making, artificial intelligence often encounters significant challenges. While AI can process vast amounts of data and follow programmed guidelines, it struggles with moral dilemmas and biases. This is where human judgment becomes crucial. The nuance and empathy required to navigate complex ethical scenarios are, for now, beyond the reach of AI. When it comes to creativity, AI shows its limitations quite clearly. Sure, it can generate artwork, music, and even literature, but often these creations are repetitive or formulaic. True originality and depth, the hallmarks of human creativity, remain elusive to AI. The spark of inspiration and the ability to break free from patterns are uniquely human traits that AI hasn't yet mastered. Predicting human behavior is another area where AI faces significant hurdles. Humans are inherently unpredictable, driven by emotions, spontaneity, and countless variables that AI struggles to comprehend. Despite its advanced algorithms and data processing capabilities, AI often finds itself confused or failing to accurately predict human actions. This unpredictability underscores the complexity of human nature. In conclusion, while artificial intelligence is undeniably powerful and continues to evolve, it still requires human oversight. For creativity, emotion, and ethical decision-making, the human touch remains indispensable. As we move forward, the collaboration between AI and humans will be essential, leveraging the strengths of both to navigate the complexities of our world.